Okay. Example 5. Given a cylindrical, I don't know why I struggle saying that, hole with a circumference of 12 pi is removed from a square prism with a base edge of 14 and a height of 23. Determine the exact volume of the solid. So I'm going to go ahead and label what I know. I know that my circumference is 12 pi. So circumference is 12 pi. Well, that can help me find the radius since I know the circumference is 2 pi r. If I go ahead and divide both sides by 2 pi, now I know my radius is going to be 6. And that's actually what I'm going to label here. Is removed from a square prism with a base edge of 14. So remember we named prisms by their bases. So now I know that this is a square, which means both sides are congruent, or all sides are congruent. And then my height was 23. So the distance between the bases is 23. Determine the exact volume of the solid. So since I know that cylindrical hole was drilled out, I know that my my volume thinking of my game plan, is going to be that square prism minus the cylindrical. So I want to just take that one at a time. So the first thing I'm going to do is find that square prism's volume. So to find that, I'm going to do the area of the base, which in this case is side squared, times my height. So 14 squared times 23 is 4,508. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and find my volume of my cylinder. So the volume of the cylinder is still the area of the base times the height. So the area of my base is now a circle, so that's pi r squared times my height. So I found that my radius was 6, so 6 squared is 36, pi times my height, which is still 23. And it did say exact volume, so I'm not going to multiply that pi out. And I get 828 pi. And then since I cannot reduce that at all, I know that is my final volume. For a bonus, this one would actually be really cool to do the total surface area. So if you're ready for a challenge, try that.